Hello everyone. Today the recipe is fried horse mackerel. You need some horse mackerel. I have already cleaned and washed it, and some batter flour, wheat flour, then 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, pepper and salt to taste, some bread crumbs, a plate with some chopped cabbage, mini tomato and slice of lemon. This is to, after we fry, we are going to top in here. So let's start. First of all, you take the horse mackerel and cut into 3 pieces. In Japanese they say Sanmai oroshi. So now we are going to cut it to 3 pieces fillet of horse mackerel. You cut it like this. Separate the bone from the like this. Then keep it in the tray. So I have already cut into pieces of fillet, and now I am going to take out the bone of this horse mackerel, middle bone. So let's start. You from this fillet, from top to down to the tail, you are going to pick the bones from a bone tweezer. Take the bone tweezer and place your finger, then pick it like this. The bones come very easily. Again, see the bones. Again, like this. The middle bone you can easily pick from the fish bone tweeter. Now I already taken the bones. So we'll take another tray and sprinkle some salt and pepper thoroughly all over the tray. Then place the horse mackerel in the tray. like this. Then again you sprinkle from the top the salt and pepper thoroughly. Now I have already sprinkled some salt and pepper to the horse mackerel. So I am going to keep it aside. Now take the egg and a mixing bowl. Put the egg into the mixing bowl and some milk. You put 2 tablespoons of milk to this egg. Mix it well. Keep it aside. Then you take the flour, battered flour, and you put 4 tablespoons of battered flour to a plate. Now you take the horse mackerel, each by each dip thoroughly to the batter flour like this. Dip the flour very deeply to this horse mackerel one by one. I have already cut 4 fillets of the horse mackerel and I am dipping the flour to this . So I have already well dipped in the flour. So we'll keep it aside. Then we take the egg mixture. So now we are going to dip the horse mackerel one by one in the egg mixture. Dip it very well and take a tongs. Take the breadcrumbs and put inside the breadcrumbs. You should handle it with the tongs because when you take the eggs mixture from the fillet, then your hand will get dirt. So now you crumb the breadcrumbs very well. Add the breadcrumbs very well and place it in a side. So again I'm going to put horse fillet in the egg mixture. Dip well again to the breadcrumbs. It's look like this. So now it's time to fry the mackerel, horse mackerel. So let's put some, first of all, heat the fry pan, then pour some oil. I'm going to pour a little. Then you take the horse mackerel one by one. When the oil is 160 degrees, you put the horse mackerel inside the oil, hot oil. To check whether the oil is heated, I'm going to put a piece of little batter inside. When the oil is heated and ready for 160 degree, the batter will come up. Then it's the time to go this horse mackerel into the oil. Now it's starting to boil to 160 degrees. So I'm going to put one by one. So friends, now we are going to fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn it to the other side. Look how nice it's already fried, and be careful not to damage the horse mackerel. Very delicious, very crunchy and very fluffy. You should fry very well. So our horse mackerel is already fried very well. So now we are taking it out to a paper towel to soak the this is our horse mackerel after we fry it very well. It looks like this. So let's arrange it. So now I'm going to cut the horse mackerel which is fried well into 2 pieces. It's very crunchy. Inside it's very well fried. Very delicious. So let's put in the plate another piece of horse fillet, horse mackerel. So now it's look like this. I have already made the horse mackerel, very delicious. You can have for dinner or for lunch, and squeeze some lemon, and if you like you can add some shoyu sauce. It's very delicious and very crunchy. So I'm going to have a bite of this horse mackerel. Let's see how crunchy it is. Delicious, crunchy, and have all the umami, fresh mackerel, and it's very tasty. So friends, today's recipe is fried horse mackerel. It's very delicious. You can make it at home very easily. Hope you enjoy my content, and see you from another content. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye.